Alright, so we have the scrotum here, the testes, the epididymis, which has three parts: the head of the epididymis, the body, and the tail of the epididymis. The spermatic cord is this whole region, and in the spermatic cord you have testicular arteries, the red vessels running down, and the pampiniform plexus, which are all of the blue vessels running down. The cremaster muscle is here, these muscle strands, and we have another vessel called the vas deferens, and you can see it from the spermatic cord. It runs up and it's this clear vessel, and the vas deferens has the enlarged portion called the ampulla, and beneath it the seminal vesicle underneath it, which it empties into, and it leads into the prostate here. And from the prostate you could see the ejaculatory duct right there, and the ejaculatory duct, it empties into the urethra, which is here, and you have a bulbourethral gland right there. So the urethra has three parts. You have the prostatic urethra, which is this region lying within the prostate. You have the membranous urethra, which is the region here next to the bulbourethral gland, and the spongy urethra, which is the remaining portion that runs all the way down, and that empties from your external urethral orifice. So you have a couple of muscles, the bulbospongiosus muscle, and the bulbospongiosus muscle. Now you can see that. You put this together. It's right there, and your ischiocavernosus muscle is right there. So the penis also has a few regions: the corona of the penis, and the glans penis, and the inguinal canal is where the spermatic cord enters the body wall. So here, and enters the body wall. And the blood vessels that we can see if we look on this model here. So we have the testicular arteries and veins, which again are encircled by, or the testicular arteries and veins here. We have a common iliac artery and vein, or common iliac artery and vein, which would be up here, and then the external iliac arteries and veins, and the internal iliac arteries and veins there. So on this model, if put this together, these two would also be the external iliac arteries and veins, and the testicular arteries and veins, you can see them running down here. We have the corpora cavernosa, which is this region with the white webbing, and the corpora spongiosum is here, and it underlies the corpora cavernosa, so it goes all the way up.